This is headed their way, and we've authorized them for 2, please.
They are all aware.
Chopper, we are planning to get off on Main Street. You're getting off on Main Street exit. Main Street exit.
Put your seatbelt on.
Especially there, 906 is actually at Main.
It's
on Main.
Eastbound Main? Get ready.
You can put us heading up that way.
Turn your shit on. That's 11. Everybody turn your body cameras on.
Getting off at Main, going eastbound Main, 71.
That's 11 more than one car.
So eastbound Main, one cruiser behind it. Going through 18, eastbound Main, going through 18.
This is Massive Ohio now. My rate of speed. Good. Speed's driving up there.
Green, you're good. Go!
Traffic is miles, he's doing about 80.
Is that him slowing down?
Wilson.
Coming up to Wilson. Chopper said he can't record it.
York 121, eastbound, Massive Ohio now.
You're good right, good right, good right, good right.
Just past Calvin. How many cars do we have behind it? 121 south, let's go.
That's 11. 6 approved. Was it a dead end back here? Go, 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 go.
He's bailing right now.
No, he's not. Come back to Main. Come back to Main. He's going to head back. He's going to come out on Main over by the towers. Eastbound Main. Eastbound Main. Go, go, go. Got it. Take it, take it, take it.
No, you can't right now.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Left, 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 left.
I gotcha. I gotcha.
You're good, you're good, you're good. He's missing a tire. Southbound Elm Creek. Take him at the wall, take him at the wall. Take him, take him, take him, take him, take him, take him. Take him. Take him. Southbound Allen Creek, southbound Allen Creek still.
3 male blacks, driver had on a
gonna go
black
for it.
t-shirt and jeans. Male black is the one with the male black white hoodie has a gun.
Mission 5th, unsuccessful.
White hoodie has a gun.
Come on, Gino, take it. Missed it.
S12, I'll take the air for air and then Chopper's air now on channel 6. Southbound Allen Creek, left lane, ready to cross lane.
Good, good. Go, go, go. You're good, 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 good. He's lost a wheel. S11, he just lost a wheel. We're still southbound Elm Creek. We're going to be at Lionsden, bailing, 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 bailing.
Dude, he's reaching huddle! He's reaching huddle! Stop! I'll fucking shoot you right now! Dude, I'm gonna fucking shoot you! Fucking grab him! I got him. His hand?
Yeah, go over there. Run
Got
over
it.
there.
I got cuffs. I cut him off the other way! I got him by his hand.
Yeah, go over there.
Got it. I got cuffs. I got it. Lift up. Hey! Stop fucking running! You're gonna get fucking shot! You're gonna get shot! Get on the ground now! Now! Hands now. Don't move. You understand? On your belly. Okay, I got you. Now. This way, towards me. Alright, mind your back now. Alright, hold on. That's arm.
Anybody else out?
We got it.
Who's in the cruiser that crashed?
You're still out.
Don't know.
Some more back that way.
More cruisers?
Two behind, one on the other side.
No, I think it was just. I just saw two vans.
So we got one more out.
Chopper locked down the area. Chopper,
What's up, buddy? What's that? Hey.
Earlier,
Bring our car around.